Good morning, team. Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. We are celebrating our new site. If you guys are new to the channel, you guys won't know most of the videos them revolve around like development. So we build multiple units on a particular site, and this is one of them. The one you're new. We finished the last one. We build something similar this time, and as I know someone wanna murmur sometime where in which I can't give out certain information before time. Just bear with me. You guys should understand, say I boss everybody just like how I boss myself. So I bossing up on what go on per site. So in terms of all the information and details and all of that, this is not the channel for that. We just show construction. We not promote no, we not sell no house, we not do none of that. We just promote construction strictly in terms of details, as in when house I go sell, when house I go ready, all of them little thing there. I will not be able to provide you guys with that. Alright, now that we have that understanding between us, we can just enjoy the genuine pure construction what me I go provide. As me say, you see it? Every man I build them side shed. We have a couple of them, one guy, some set of guys are down there, so we build for them. Soon go down there a bit. What we need to do is ensure say a lot of wind noise in these videos, because I go out here so every single day, and I don't want it to be muffled and all of that. So we're gonna try to get the little thingy where reduce the noise, and if YouTube going good, we'll see if we can upgrade the camera and put like a big mic on top of it and all of that good stuff. But for now, at the G7 next year, run the show. So this is our site, guys. I'm just I hope so you can get used to it from now, as a lot of videos will be recorded over here, so and revolve around this side. I have many more sheds to put up. We are in discussion on where our best location in regards to where we can put our latrines, and where the man them go store material and all of that good stuff. For all who know me them project management thingy, you guys can sit down and watch an agile approach to project management. And yeah, as I say, let's enjoy the videos. So we already shot past stage 1, where in which we identify all our pegs, them with boundary and our laterals. We have an idea of the slope of the land, so we have an idea where we are going to put our reed bed along with our septic. This will be an on-site, what do you call it now, when your sewer system in a yard. But that everybody are gonna have one. Take time walk up and see what I have. Like 1, 2, 3. Great Rastan in team. Eh? Yeah, man. Boss. Aye, boss. Aye, man. Aye, boss. Man, very man. Aye, alone there, sir. Chillax. So will this truck make it up that hill? 5,000 gallons. Alright. So as you can see, you start from the highest point of the land and catch everything else, and basically where the mortarboard is at floor level of the building. So right round, regardless of how high I look, marks the floor level. Yeah, now No. Good night, Joe. Things barely start kick off. Barely trickle. So just they have one work it while going and work it wood here. But I have another phase of this side to go look for. I'm really interested in it because me hear a lot of residents around here that complain about a particular thing I made lost. But now me get some information on it from the infrastructure people them, and I will look on it later. But I go back and look on the setting out and some bending I go on. Same way with the steel fixer. We'll go through drawings them, and as approved as they are, them have a couple little errors that need to be adjusted and fixed, and that needs to be revised. But as I say, we're flexible, so we can adapt to whatever changes where bigger heads them send on. So when I think this is a problem, you know, it's just an issue. Yeah, work not easy.
No, the unhook them. One length a lot.
Yeah. You know what you do. Most man do this, you know. You know. You know what you do.
You get one piece outside.
So infrastructure work from when we come scan out a place, you know, but the opportunity just to present it. So go see what go on. See what go on now. So all over here go on another phase of the development. Just come people. Morning again, team Ismash. As you can see, it's a brand new day based on my clothes. Why I say brand new day and not new day? If you listen closely in the background, you can hear the compressor, the pneumatic, the air compressor in the background at work, meaning some form of excavation of one, some form of digging of one, something of that sort. So today gonna be the last day of this vlog, but I have some things to catch up on, and then we hit the site and get practical. This look like maybe one spliff in my mouth, or actually look like the straw that it is. I don't know, I have a bad habit of clipping straw in my mouth, and if you can give me cancer. So here we are working hard, or hardly working. How going for your vest? Yeah. Can I get a vest? So here's our first unit. I don't know if you can see the mark out. I don't want to touch the profile board, you know. No man, so I shift them building, take them building out the square or whatever. But I think you can see the mark out. And these are what were used for the marking out of the building. We actually flipped some of the buildings and based on what you can see as the profile boards are high, we drop the floor level, but we soon reach up there. So whilst I was editing another section of the video, I realized somebody telling us that the bottom board indicates the floor level. That is not the case, but sometimes they do that, but we go a foot above the highest point, and the highest point right here, so a foot above this marks the floor level, and it goes for all the units. And we have our latrine around here, so yeah. So this is how you set up an on-site sewer disposal little system. Yeah. Do the damage right there, so. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4 units for a fact is on some hard class A soil. We have an alternative foundation for these units, in which we are going to put them on ground beams and have like a 1-inch dowel. So you know, we're going to drive the rod in there and grout it. So for these, the alternative one provide a down beam, and we're going to do a ground beam, and in which we have the rocks and the regular mat where we have no rocks. Somebody had recommended once that when me say certain word or say certain things, me put up the definition on the screen or something like that, but I don't know about all that edited. I don't think I'm going to do all of that. I don't know. I don't think I have so much time. Easy, lad. Easy. This morning I'm coming and done already. Flat and easy. Someone I can get hurt this morning. So guys, that's it for today's happening. That's it for today's vlog. We will be catching up on our foundation in our next vlog, which will be going into the phase of excavation for most contractors, and some of them they're behind, but we're gonna focus more upon the whole excavation part. So as of the next vlog, we are gonna start looking to the whole compressor thing. Hopefully they're not finished by then, so we can look how them are cut it, go through how them are cut it, why them are cut it, and look at things like that. But as of now, I'm gonna say I can go sort out some instructions in which them supposed to get. So I'm going to keep you guys in suspense a little bit, because you guys would like an idea of what the house is going to look like. But I think I'm going to postpone that picture, that image, until later on, and you guys will be seeing it coming into out of erection of the building. You guys going to have an idea what is going to be built, and if you guys see the pegs and see the mark out, you guys should already can guess what is going to be built. A few sites in Jamaica alone is similar to this one in terms of the design, but so far on this channel I haven't shown this design as yet, so this design will be a first on this channel. And yeah, stay tuned for many more videos. Hopefully these videos are entertaining for you guys and also educational, because we realize that no matter what we do, the videos them are gonna come off educational. We're still at check-in on site number 1 and 2. However, we're gonna start focus on this mainly and just like finish works when they come on to those sites. So yeah, Team Ismash, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and just tune in to Ismash for real. Team Ismash, I'm out.